breakfast is ready. This is omelette with chapati. ये होम स्टे है, इसका नाम क्या है?
अभी तक तो होम स्टे का नाम नहीं रखा है, तो अभी लामू बोल के भी रख सकते हैं।
लामू।
लामू होम स्टे।
ओके। ये नया नया बना
हाँ
है?
जी सर।
नया बना है।
नया।
कितना रूम्स है?
अभी 2 रूम है, एक कॉमन बाथरूम है यहाँ।
कॉमन टॉयलेट में?
कॉमन टॉयलेट है।
2 रूम, 3 बेड का?
हाँ 3 बेड पर रूम।
पर रूम।
1 कॉमन टॉयलेट है।
हाँ। ज़रा फ़ोन नंबर बता दीजिए।
9469539601। वो वाला मेरा नंबर है। तो लामू का नंबर जो है 9419839639।
They are very hospitable person. They took care of us not like guests but as their relatives, and I really appreciate the stay over here. I was actually thinking of staying another day over here, but since the team is moving on, so I have to move on, or else I would have stayed one more day over here. Let's move then. We will proceed with our motorcycles for the ride. Today's destination is Pang. It's very sad to tell you that our return journey has almost started. Almost now, it has started. So Pang is on the Leh Manali highway. From Pang, we'll be heading towards Manali. So friends, actually it was very gloomy and cloudy. It's still gloomy and cloudy, but suddenly there is a streak of sunlight that is coming from the top of this mountain. It's very very cloudy, and there is a snowfall that is going on the other mountain, as I'm trying to show you. I'm not sure whether I can show you or not. Right there on the peaks of those mountains, those are the fresh snow that is falling right away.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling.
Vespa still pulling on. So the off-roading has started. We have reached Loma.
Why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind.
So guys, we reached Mahe. This is the bifurcation point. On the right, where we'll go, will actually take you to Somoriri. We are not going to Somoriri, we are going to Pang today. So let's go. This is a complete off-road, I guess. Yeah, looks to be a pretty tough off-road. The Shepherd with her ships. This looks so beautiful. This is a rock. This is actually the rock falling zone. So anytime it might fall. These guys clean them up when they fall on the road. See everything. Huh? Yes, karo. As we were returning from Hanle, the hospitality of the family of our homestay lingered in my mind. The exquisite beauty of any place has a profound effect on the people's mind and body who stay there, and this was no different. I promised to myself to get back here and stay for a few more days, explore the Hanle monastery, stargaze for a few more nights, and be a better traveler next time. Guys, you can see those white patches by the stream bed. Those are all sulfur deposits. Here sulfur is extracted. You'll see some mechanism been set up. I can smell sulfur now in the air, and that is why there's a hot spring right in front, a few kilometers away. Very confusing road. There is a parallel road running. Not sure which one is right. কোনটা রে ভাই? এটা? So it's picnic time, folks. We are having picnic out here in this Veera jagah. Out of this nowhere, there is a puncture in Supratik's bikes. I don't know how it will work. The puncture has not been repaired. Let's see. It has been repaired. I'm not sure whether it is properly repaired or not, but the tire is taking pressure now. Let's move and see the outcome gradually. So the puncture repair didn't work totally. अभी भी हवा निकल रहा है सुप्रतीक का और टायर का, दोनों का ही। अभी सुप्रतीक का हंसी देखकर पता चल रहा है कि इसका हवा ऑलमोस्ट निकल चुका है, लेकिन क्या करे। The rain clouds are coming very fast. I don't know who is going to reach faster. Oh, this is some pass. It will rain soon, or there might be snow. I'm not sure. What is this? So friends, we are stuck up. As you know, I had shown you the Supratik's rear wheel was punctured. We tried to carry on with it by putting some air, but it didn't work out. Right now we are in a Gumti. The outside situation is pathetic. Here you can see the rear wheel of Supratik's bikes is not there. We have caught hold of a truck who has actually taken it along with Supratik and Shanodda. The outside weather is pathetic. It is raining and it is extreme cold and windy. We don't know when to get a shelter. We need to have a shelter very soon. Once they come back, we will go to Sokar Lake, which is around half an hour from here, and probably that's our destination for tonight, because going to Pang, which was actually planned, is not possible. Here Omlanda is having mudi, no, chide bhaja. Look at his face. Very sad, very tired. We all are extremely worn out. I mean, extremely. I just need to settle down somewhere. This is not actually possible to carry on. Let's see, let them come back. The truck is asking for $1,500, man. $1,500. They'll just go 10 kilometers down, repair, and come back with a tire, with a wheel. Hey, what is that? There is actually a goat. It's coming to us. Is it looking for this shelter only? Oh my god. Yes, it seems. It's looking at us. हमारे तरफ आ रहा है. नहीं, साइड में जा रहा है. नहीं, मेरे तरफ आ रहा है. बे आए. तू यो आए. आजा. आजा. अरे जेते जाओ. आज बे गोंता पे ना ले. Oh my god. What is he up to? Oh my god, this is his shelter. Oh, he stays here. We are staying with a goat now. So guys, he's looking what Amlanda is having. Oh my god. Cool down, baby. Cool down. Guys, this is 8:41 p.m. In this entire darkness, we had this vehicle. Supratik's tire went down and took 2.5 hours. We waited here in the cold and the rain. They had been there. It was snowfall, absolute darkness, and finally we were not sure whether they will come back. They'll be able to come back or not. But fortunately, as we were about to stay in a tempo traveler, we saw a tempo traveler out there. We would have stayed there for the night. But at that point of time, Supratik Shanadda came with the repaired tire, and these two guys, these two gentlemen helped us a lot, and that is why they are also taking us to the nearest place where we might get a place to stay. Sokar Lake is the place, because at night this road is very confusing, even in the daytime. So at night it will be more confusing. Our hands and feet and body is totally frozen. It is by the grace of God and also by the effort of these two human beings that we could handle the situation. It was really very tense. खैर छोड़ो, जो हुआ सो हुआ. अब चलते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं. आप बढ़िए. Looking at the awesome landscape, we could never gauge the amount of danger that we would experience today. What was not there? Rugged roads, deserted places, hailstorms, torrential rains, windy breeze, and above all, tire puncture that made things deadly. Keep watching to know what a mountain ride could be if you are not aware of the dangers. This was the ultimate drama that we were left out. Our escort, the Bolero, suddenly went inside the sand dune. Here it is absolute sandy. I don't know why. He drove into the sand, and now a JCB, luckily the JCB was there. The JCB needs to be pushing it to pull it out of the sand. I'm trying to show you, I'm not sure whether I can. There it is, trying to push it. Just a simple nudge and it is up. Just a simple nudge. It's pushing. It's going down. Yeah, gone. निकालो पूरा का पूरा. Yes. Great. Sometimes there are some people who are really God sent, and so was these two men who saved many more hardships that we could have faced tonight, and also a local guy who arranged for our shelter that night in a relatively better place of warmth, or else we might had to sleep in a tempo traveler and beg for food from just a single tent nearby. Because of extreme cold, hunger and tiredness, I could not complete the video today. We'll show you the rest on the next video. Please subscribe to my channel
देखছি
and like the video if you liked
भैया
it. Till we meet again, take care and bye.